Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through the steps for using Afterpay on Cash App. First, pick up your phone and open the Cash App. Give it a moment to load so you can see the main screen. To use the Afterpay feature, you will need to navigate to the Home tab of the Cash App. Now, scroll slowly until you see the option connected to Afterpay. Some users will see it listed directly on the main screen, and others might need to tap on the section for money services or spending tools. When you see the Afterpay option, tap on it. This will open the page where Cash App connects you to the service. Here you will notice information about how Afterpay works inside Cash App. The idea is simple. Afterpay allows you to spend money now and pay for it over time in smaller payments. Cash App makes this easier by placing the option right inside the app. Spend what you need within the limit you are given, and then follow the repayment schedule that Afterpay creates for you. Before you continue, make sure you read any details or terms that appear on your screen. It is important to understand how much you can spend, how often payments will be taken, and what happens if a payment is late. Once everything looks good, you can use Afterpay for purchases supported inside Cash App or through stores that accept it. Thanks for watching.